Are you sure we should be up here? Because this just looks like farmland to me. Ah, shut your eye, me. I know exactly what I'm doing. This is a public footpath. Well, I don't see any path anymore. Ah, you poor dirty markers. Get off my land. Don't be having none of your sort round here. Get off, hey. It's not safe round here. There's beasties in these weird parts. I think I know what I'm doing, and I doubt that there's a beast around here that could tackle me. Or you be saying that now, there's an ancient tale around these parts. Tale of a beast. A creature with great power. A creature said to be part man and part beast. No one knows from where the creature came from, or how it came to be. Only that it is known as Monkey Face. So what you're trying to say is, there's a man with a monkey's face hanging about on Darwin Moors. Oh no, it's much worse than that. You see the man, this creature man, he has a full monkey, where his head should be. Good God, that's disgusting. Where does he keep his giblets? Right, for God's sake, we've been running about these bloody moors all night now. Oh, shut your yap. I see a cave up ahead. We can stop there for the night. Stop in a cave? What do you think I am, bloody Fred Flintstone? Ah, come on. I can't see a bloody thing in here.
You there, travellers. What is it you seek?
Who the hell is that?
Who I am does not concern you. What is it you seek?
I don't see...
Shh! I know what you seek. You seek the Book of Truths. Following the Book of Truths, you may communicate with the beast.
The beast?
Yes, the beast. Monkey Face. Here, you must take the book.
Aha, I shall be taking that then.
Who the hell is that then?
Why, I am the famous explorer and archaeologist slash fashion designer, Alexander Michael Xavier Thomas William Allen Turner. Amitwat for short.
Amitwat?
Indeed you are. Ha 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 ha.